Coconut oil is like your side chick, you know?
Just for all my players out there riding, spinners.
What's up, YouTube? It's day 360. I'm back with another YouTube video. This is not the same day. This is a different day. I just wear the same thing every single day. I need y'all to get familiar with me. I might change my do-rags up, but I'm gonna stick with the white tee. I'm gonna keep my lovely couch. That's my boy back there. He's a little baby. He's waving too. He in the process right now. We just getting him started. I know all of you guys came for what you saw in the title. And that's right, coconut oil. I'm not telling you that coconut oil is gonna, change lives or save lives. But I will tell you that it will enhance whatever you're doing. If you're ashy, I will tell you right now, use coconut oil. If your hair is dry, use coconut oil. If you're hungry and you know that you need to use some grease, don't use it. Use coconut oil. You know why? Because coconut oil, it's vegan, pure, natural. No chemicals are added. You gotta read your ingredients to make sure there's no chemicals added. And not to mention, it smells good. It smells like coconut. Who doesn't love the smell of coconut? It's like a fresh smell. You know, it's two types of smell in this world that's always gonna be fresh. One is mint, and the other is coconut. And come on now, those are the only two that's gonna keep you fresh and not have any substance added to that ingredients. Today, we are gonna be talking about coconut oil. Coconut oil is an essential for your everyday life. I don't care where you are in the world. If you don't have coconut oil, I'm gonna tell you right now, you are missing out. I have coconut oil here. Let's see if y'all can see that. I have coconut oil. This is actually a new coconut oil I'm trying. This coconut oil here, I got from Whole Foods. And I'm just gonna try it and see how good it is. My waves are buttery. I don't use butter. I use coconut oil. It's a substitution for butter. If I was to put a knife to my head, you can actually cut each layer of my wave. This is a brand new coconut oil. Sometimes it comes solid like this. It's definitely gonna turn into liquid. A little bit warmer in your house. You can use it either way. If you want it to get cold again, you don't put it in the refrigerator at all. What you need to do is put it in your closet, like where it's cold, cabinet, or it's not a lot of light, and then it doesn't get like a lot of heat traffic. Twist this top open. Look at that. You see that? Coconut oil smells just like coconut. Like, it smells like an almond joy. Coconut milk, a coconut cream pie, coconut ice cream. I'm sorry, I'm overwhelmed with the smell because it just smells so good. It's just like grease, you know. Definitely healthier, very soft. You don't supposed to spend the night in coconut oil. Coconut oil is like your side chick, you know. It's like you just use it for the time being, but you don't have to overuse it. You put it in your hair for about 20 minutes, maybe 30 at the most. Once you're done with this beautiful smelling coconut oil, you wash your hair. You go to sleep. You go to sleep at night. You wake up in the morning. You're gonna feel your hair is gonna be super soft. It's gonna be super soft and silky. You don't want your hair to feel like it has to rely on certain products. With that being said, let's end this video the right way by hitting that subscribe button right now. Comment below your coconut oil stories. Are you using coconut oil? Do you think coconut oil is bad for you? Oil is good for you? Tell me in the comments below. Let me know, because I really want to know. Since you're here with my channel, I'm going to value your opinion. That's my thank you. I will value your opinion, take it in consideration. Remember, our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I swear to you, you're going to see the best waves you ever seen before. I've been working on these waves for so long. I'm ready to reveal these waves. I just feel like we need a party. We need like a celebration in order for you guys to see these waves. Day 360. I heard his waves are in 2025 right now. Everything in life is a full circle. That's 360. The only degree I have is 360s. Stay in school, kids. Stay in school. And we out.